Hi, this is Bill and Christina Devine with Coastal Properties Group and the Devine 360 team. Welcome to this ideal starter home in the charming coastal town of Palm Harbor, Florida.
Yeah, we're sitting on a huge corner lot here. There's no HOA restrictions. We're so close to the water with no flood insurance. This is all things Palm Harbor. You really got to check it out.
So what do you think of this home?
I tell you, I love how ready this home is to move in. It's a perfect starter home. It's good for an investor or anybody downsizing.
Absolutely. Come experience the Devine difference today.